Hello to you all from me, Maxi.
And for me, Maro.
We just wanted to share this landing footage with you from our recent flight from Copenhagen to Singapore on board a Singapore Airlines Airbus A350. Hope you enjoy the video. And there you go. That was our landing at Singapore Changi Airport. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a like. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please do so. We do make a lot of videos like this and full trip reports and airport videos. See you on the next video.